Everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna give you a comparison between Spendee and toshl to simply tell you guys which is a better option for you and which is a better money budgeting option. So yeah, in the platforms, they're both available on each. They both are available on the same platforms. Their audiences are the people who want to start budgeting, such as me and you. They have 24/7 customer support, and they have also live chatbot that will help you. They both offer APIs, and the Spendee pricing starts at $2 per month, and they both have free versions and free trials. And in my opinion, Spendee is better because of the wallet integrations and credit card integrations you can do, and they both have alternatives. But yeah, as I have used them, the integrations are better on Spendee than on toshl. And one downside is that when you do a manual, basically a manual in transaction, meaning you pay with cash, you will need to enter it manually in the Spendee app to monitor it. That's a downside that I don't like. So yeah, this is a comparison between Spendee and toshl. Thank you for watching this until the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.